All our friends, welcome or welcome back to this space. Welcome to our channel. Today we are taking a little bit of an adventure to Playa Los Colomitos, which is a little beach just past Boca de Tomatlan, about a 2-kilometer hike, walk, trek. So we're gonna take you guys along with us.
Baby's not with you, he's with mommy. When I throw it, it will be fine because I'll just throw.
The only place where there's poop on the ground, I step in it. I step in poop. Whoa. we made it to Playa Los Colomitos. We were told it was a small beach, but we weren't expecting it to be this small. It is quite tiny, and the water seems to be oddly black colored. It was a beautiful, beautiful hike here. There's a couple people here, but not much going on. It seems pretty chill. We are really glad that we didn't decide to come on a super hot day because it was quite the trek with all 3 kiddos as it was. I think if the sun was out and the temperature was any higher, we would have been sweating. Otherwise, it has been a beautiful walk. Fairly intermediate, I'd say. Not really child friendly, but definitely doable if you're an active family. And with that being said, we now have a 2-kilometer hike back to Boca de Tomatlan. Alrighty, we made it almost back to the car. We are pretty close to Boca de Tomatlan is where we start. You can actually take taxi boats to the beach we went to Yalapas, which is another video I have from last year, but we didn't take the full taxi option. We just did the little hike, trek, walk. Definitely feeling it in my hips, my ankles, my knees, thanks to this chubby bubs, but we made it back. So beautiful. As always, if you liked today's video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me, and I'll talk to you guys next time.